So welcome to another Machine Monday. So Rob and I have just finished off a week in the Motor City, Detroit, and we visited lots of our customers' factories, and the sentiment that we got from the shop floor and plant leaders that we interacted with was although in the beginning of the year we had cautious optimism as a sort of sentiment, I think we've definitely switched to a cautious pessimism. One of the most striking pieces of information we got was a significant drop-off of the manufacture of commercial vehicle components as a result of the significant drop-off of the sale of commercial vehicles and trucks. And this is typically an indicator of what the economy is going to be doing into the future, because when people stop buying transport vehicles, generally it means that there's less goods are going to be circulating in the economy, which is not a good sign. Interestingly, in 2024, the US could produce or had capacity to produce around 14.5 million vehicles. In 2024, they only produced 10 million vehicles, so there's a 4.5 million extra capacity in the system. In 2025, looks even less vehicles going to be produced. So let's see what happens. We're off to the West Coast this week and see what it's like down that side. Here's another Machine Monday.